What I've got to say today, y'all, I will be saying for maybe 1 or 2 weeks at the most. But what I need is in storage. How many times have y'all heard me say that in the last 9 months? Teresa came in with a basket of beautiful North Carolina tomatoes that she picked up from Davis Produce here in Savannah. And she brought some canning jars and said, could you show everybody how to can tomatoes?
No, I told you, let me
What
correct.
did you say?
People asked us for you to show them how to can tomatoes.
And you asked me
okay.
if I would.
Clarify.
This request didn't come from Teresa, but it did come from Teresa because she's the one that gets the emails and requests. So to me, it's coming from Teresa, from someone else, but out of Teresa's mouth. Did I say that simple enough to suit you, Teresa?
Yes,
So anyway, she asked if I could show y'all how I can tomatoes. And I said, well, I'd love to, but my grandmother Paul's big canner pressure cooker is in storage. And you have to water bath these in these jars. I don't even have a pot here that would cover these by an inch. So, but I am going to show you, if you've got some ripe tomatoes on hand, I am going to show you what I will do sometimes rather than let them ruin. You just take your tomatoes and wash them. You want to make sure they're clean. And I've done this so many times before, especially one year when we had a garden and we had a lot of tomatoes, y'all. So all you have to do is get you a freezer bag. Now this one's not a freezer, it's just a regular storage bag. But so it must be a freezer. And all you do is wash your tomatoes, put them in a Ziploc bag, and throw the bag in the freezer. And when you're ready to use them, all you have to do is run them under warm water and that skin just slips right off. And you're gonna have the most wonderful fresh tomatoes for your soups or for spaghetti, okra and tomatoes. Oh my goodness, we love that. Along with a pot of rice and some cornbread. Oh, it's so good. But this is so easy. It's such an easy way to put up tomatoes. The only drawback is you gotta have a big freezer because they do take up quite a bit of room. But you will be so happy to pull out that bag of good old ripe tomatoes in January and make you something good with them. So, we are fixing to start moving into our house next week. We're hoping, right, Eddie?
Yes.
Next week. So as soon as I find my grandma's canning pot, I'm going to show y'all how she taught me how to can tomatoes. But until then, this is a great way to get by. In the freezer. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.